Sienna Miller's sorel boots are the perfect footwear for rainy spring days. We are shopping these boots before they sell out. Springtime is nothing if not unpredictable. 1 minute it is sunshine, the next it is pouring with rain. That is why a great pair of waterproof boot is essential, and Sienna Miller just reminded us of the perfect pair. Back in 2019, she wore the sorel out and about ankle boots to Glastonbury, and you can still buy them now. As we start considering what to add to our spring capsule wardrobes, the best jumpsuits, lightweight layers, and crucially, footwear that can handle rain and everything in between come to mind. While the best release have their place, Sienna Miller's choice proves that waterproof boots are a sleek and surprisingly stylish option. The sorrel boots are an easy win. Of course, the outfit itself was pure Sienna Miller as she paired her ankle boots with a floaty white linen jumpsuit. In over the top, she wore a long red striped lightweight jacket, adding just the right amount of bohemian flair. This was Glastonbury styling at its best, practical yet polished, effortless yet intentionally chic. And while we may not be wading through festival fields just yet, one thing is for sure: with rainy showers on the horizon, we are more than ready to wear some waterproof boots. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.